Hello everyone. Would you help me find some numbers today and count the animals with me? Let's find the number 1. Do you see the blue number 1? Yes, here it is. This is the number 1. 1 elephant. Now, let's find the number 2. Let's look for orange number 2. Do you see the orange number 2? Correct. This is the orange number 2. 1, 2. 2 lions. Now let's look for number 3. A green number 3. Could you help me find it? There it is. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3 crocodiles. Now let's try to find number 4, a purple 4. There, that was a quick find. That's correct. This is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 cows. Now let's find number 5. Can you see number 5? A red 5? There it is. This is the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sheep. How about number 6? Can you find an orange number 6? Do you see it? That's correct. Here is the number 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 monkeys. Now let's go and try to find the number 7. A purple 7. Do you see it? Yes, there it is. The number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dogs. Now let's try to find the number 8. A green 8. Do you see it? A green 8. Oh, you're right. There it is. This is the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frogs. Now let's try to find number 9. This should be easy. A red 9. Yes, there it is. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 birds. Now let's find the number 10. We need a 1 and a 0. Let's find it. Here is our 1. That's correct. And here is our 0 for a number 10. 1 and 0 makes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bumblebees. Good job, everybody. Good job.